Hello students, today we are going to see our new project which is based on Matlab, which is called as Video Steganography, in which we are adding a text message in a video. So first we are going to run our project. Okay, we have run our project. We are getting the output screen. Now we are going to first click our input video. We are selecting first number 1 video. Here we have selected our video. Now we are going to enter our secret message. Here we are entering our secret message. After that entering our message has been done, so that now we are going to embed this process. Here we are entering a secret key. Yes, embedding process successfully done. Now we are going to extraction process. So first we load our embedded video. Yes, we have loaded our embedded video. Now we are going to extract this message. Yes, for that here we have to enter our secret key. Yes, extraction is successfully done. So here we are getting our extracted secret message, that is, this is a secret message. This is how video steganography works. Now we are going to reset the screen. Now we are loading another video. Yes, we have loaded a second video for steganography. Now we are going to enter a secret message. We have entered our message. Now we are going to embed this process. Yes, here we have to enter the secret key. We have entered our secret key. Embedding process successfully done. Now we are going to extraction process. So first we load our embedded video. Yes, embedded video loaded successfully. Now we are going to extract it. Here we have to enter a secret key. Yes, extraction process successfully done. Extracted secret message is given as entering another message. This is our secret message. So this is how video steganography works. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you in next video with another new project.